think what one unsolved issue is the question of individual differences or idiosyncrasy in the learning processes. I mean by that how education or how learning science can help people with pure individual motivations, how education can help them to self-actualize, to find the job they want, to fit their expectation, to get their vocational desire. So I think that all the educations and programs are mostly standardized. I mean, is one size fits for all, and we need to promote differentiated pedagogy. We need to promote mentoring to focus on. But I think that mentoring may help individual to promote. Not to promote, but help individual to progress according to his own desire. So for me, this is a big issue: the absence of system that take into account individual differences. So one solution is also to create pedagogical system that are focused on process that promote idiosyncrasy, self-actualizations, the expressions of each individual desire, and to have a more balanced system considering both collective expectation but also individual expectations. During the workshop we mentioned, for example, the Ikigai approach. I can also mention what we call the what is the name? Activation threat theory, but saying that a program may help an individual to activate the trait that is implicitly have implicitly but don't have explicitly. So to me each system must help an individual to activate these traits, but is both that are both good for him but also good for the society.